In this tutorial, we'll configure the DNAKE AC02C access control terminal in standalone mode. This setup is ideal for installations where one door needs to be controlled locally in a fast, simple, and secure way without depending on a full access control platform from the beginning. Before starting, make sure the AC02C is powered, connected to the local network, and ready to work with the basic door control accessories, lock, the exit button, and unit credentials such as RFID cards and PIN codes. For a clean installation, always refer to the lock type, power requirements, and wiring diagram before connecting the device. AC02C can be powered by PoE or 12-volt DC. For a stable installation, always verify polarity, network connection, and the type of lock being controlled. A key technical point is the relay load. The relay must not be used to directly power locks that exceed its rated load. For higher consumption locks, use an independent power supply or an auxiliary relay to protect the access control terminal and ensure long-term reliability. Once the device is connected to the network, we need to locate its IP address. We can do this using the DNAKE remote upgrade tool on the same local network. After finding the IP address, we enter it in the browser and log in to the web interface. From this interface, we can configure users, access credentials, relay behavior, time settings, network parameters, and door control options. For security, it is highly recommended to change the default password after the first login. In this section, we define how the door will operate. We can set how long the relay stays active, configure the exit button, define door sensor behavior, set a public PIN if needed, and adjust the weekend communication when the AC02C is integrated with other access control devices. The goal is to make sure the door responds correctly to valid credentials and also follows the electrical requirements of the installation. Now we will create a local user. This allows the AC02C to grant access without depending on a cloud platform. Depending on the project, we can assign a card, PIN, NFC, QR code, Bluetooth, or app-based access method. For this tutorial, we will focus on the most common standalone options, RFID card and PIN. Now that the user credentials are configured, we will perform a full standalone test. We will check authorized access, door opening, exit button operation, and rejection of unauthorized credentials. With this RFID card, if you tap it here, it will open because it's set up with the AC02C. It's also set up with this pin, 4455, and that will open. Put anything else, and it will not work. This is not set up with the AC02C, and as such, it will not work. Finally, we'll review the event logs to confirm that the device is recording access activity correctly. According to official specifications, the AC02C supports up to 2,000 users, 2,000 cards, and 100,000 event logs. With these steps, the DNAKE AC02C is now configured to work locally in standalone mode. This configuration is practical for single-door access control installations where fast deployment, local user management, and reliable door operation are required. In the next video, we'll show how to connect this same device to cloud management for remote administration, user management, event monitoring, and future updates.